So the raw photos in Adobe Camera RAW behaves in a certain way. And if you want to change around how it behaves, then you can go around and click on the gear icon right here. Once you go around and do that, you can go around onto raw defaults right here. And here you can see that right now the raw defaults uses Adobe default right here. You can also go around and utilize different camera settings or choose from one of these presets right here, so that whenever you open up raw files, then it utilizes this. You can also go around and utilize out color or whatever, cool light and so forth, as you can see. So if there's any camera settings in raw images, then it'll simply use that. But if you want to go around and override it, then you can override the global setting for camera over here as well. So that is what you have, as you can see. So this is what you have, and you can see that there's the camera model and so forth. So you can go around and choose that out as well. So I can go around onto Adobe default or camera settings right here, just like this, and choose around the preset, as you can see right here. So no matter what the camera model is or where the source image is from, you can override those as well. And that's it. That is how you can go around and change around the raw default options inside of Adobe Camera RAW, so that it overrides out everything by default as well, or you can turn that off as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.